Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look on the gold market as usual. So on the gold market, actually we've got what we would like to get. So with the pullback to the upside, this is the setup for those of you who would like to take the position with the daily grabber to the downside. We said yesterday that market stands too far from the invalidation point. It would be better to wait for some bounce because it just will save your money and you will get the chance to take the position at much better place. So now this has happened. Now you could just make the decision where you would like to take the short position with the current setup or not, because that's probably the point where you have to decide. Nominal trend remains bearish with the grabber on the back. It's still valid, and these circumstances, of course, it's not time to consider taking in new long positions. We need some big changes to actually make the decision and turning back on the bullish side. Of course, on the long term, everything looks just great for the gold. We have tight consolidation in the shape of the triangle or something like this. That potentially could lead to and should lead later for upward rally. But for now, market could form, for example, just another lows here, minor lows before the major reversal will start. If you do not want to sell, that's okay. You just be aware of the grabber that exists here and better to not take position currently against it. Just wait when it will be resolved, either with this upward action erasing of the grabber, returning back. In this case, we turn back to our hand shoulders pattern. Or if it will work properly, then we will get another chance for position taking some lower lows. So maybe it will be in the shape of the butterfly or another larger hand and shoulders pattern or something. This story stands ahead. So on the 4-time frame chart, actually everything happens that as we discussed. So got this triple two in place, nice 30% pullback here. So that's the point. Reaction on the triple two is over. Question whether it will turn to the butterfly right now. So whether we will get extension here to the 127. That perfectly agrees with the XOP, with this major pattern, and also will be more than enough to just complete the daily grabber target that stands right at these lows. If all this stuff will happen later, since we suggest still turning to the upside, anyway, we could start watching for this big hand shoulders pattern. So it might be shoulder, head, and possible reversal to the upside. That's, in short, our strategy that we are watching for. Now return back to the idea of this grabber, how to trade it if you would like to. So first of all, on hourly chart, in general market stands at the resistance that we already mentioned. And we said, let's wait for it. Make the decision around 33.30, 33.25 where market stands right now. So you could, for example, blindly just to take the short position with the stops above this area. What's advanced approach exists? You could drop your time frame. So just for example, take a look at the 15-minute chart. Here, you easily could consider, for instance, if you do not want to risk too much with this actually big stop level for you, consider local minor reversal patterns. For instance, you could watch for this minor hand and shoulders. That's a great idea. So market starts forming hand shoulders. You are taking position on the right arm somewhere around 33.22, 33.23, with the stops just above the head. It's a very small risk. But you also will be possessed with the same grabber. Once market start moving down, you could move stops to the break even. Very simple logic. So for now, on the gold market, I do not see anything else to do. So just let's keep watching on this trading stop. It seems interesting to me what actually will happen. By the way, here, if you will not get the if you do not have here the hand shorts, for example, it easily might be 3 drive. So reversal may happen in the wave of 3 drive, this 127 extension. Just watch for local pattern. That's the major idea. Whatever it will be, 3 drive, hand and shoulders, butterfly, double top, whatever. So if it will be 3 drive instead, that's your entry will be around 33 area. That's potentially might happen if we consider here. It's probably even this will be this type of retracement. You will see the market is not forming the head, turning up earlier. That might be some different pattern. Just watch over it. That's some kind of advanced approach here for possible position taking in towards. Well, that's all for now. See you next time.